Hello, we're delighted to welcome you to 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning. Let's explore what we're all about. As a leader in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services since 2003, we make starting an HVAC franchise an exceptional opportunity targeted to achieve your goals. Our brand name says it all. Our franchise owners are committed to providing timely, reliable service that sets a benchmark in the industry. As cities grow and the need for energy-efficient home solutions, repairs, and maintenance increases, the HVAC industry is forecast to grow by a robust compound annual growth rate of 6.5% through 2027. With this increased demand, 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning is actively seeking new franchise owners to join our network. Let's break down what makes our franchise a standout opportunity, beginning with this essential industry. The HVAC industry represents a hot market valued at over $30 billion and growing. This vital sector thrives on the universal need for comfortable living and working environments, making it recession-resistant. Unlike many other industries, HVAC services are required year-round, whether turning up the heat during the frosty winters or keeping it cool in the summer blaze. This continuous demand creates a steady workflow and revenue stream, especially when considering year-round maintenance contracts. Operating in the HVAC industry offers a stable market, providing a solid financial advantage with different options for customers to finance repairs or new equipment. Our franchises can go one step further, helping their customers understand their homes, needs, and directing them to potential funding options. This information can make it easier for customers to proceed with necessary work. Our 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning franchise model is built for real results, offering multiple revenue streams without the need for cold calling. With a straightforward investment and a moderate barrier to entry, this setup is scalable. As one of the largest HVAC companies in the industry, boasting over 350 units nationwide, we provide a proven path to build your business and the training to help you take off. At the core of our brand are the pillars of ethics, punctuality, professionalism, and reliability, values that guide every franchise under our banner. These principles are not just buzzwords, they are the standards driving our operations and what we expect from every franchise owner. We equip you with distinctive operational tools and ongoing support to ensure you can consistently deliver top-notch service. Our strong network support and complete marketing solutions cover many strategies to help you attract and retain customers. 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning has consistently stood out in the franchise world, showcasing impressive growth and earning recognition across the board. Our commitment to providing trusted HVAC services nationwide has consistently landed us at the top of the prestigious Entrepreneur Franchise 500 list. This ranking is among the most sought after in the industry, evaluating franchises based on factors like cost and fees, support, size, and growth, brand strength, and financial stability. We're HVAC leaders, but we're also the top choice for entrepreneurs. 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning benefits significantly from being part of Authority Brands, a titan in the home service industry. With respected brands and over 1,000 franchise owners and multi-millions in revenue, Authority Brands brings a wealth of resources, experience, and knowledge to the table. This affiliation provides top-tier training programs, powerful marketing strategies, and the latest tech tailored specifically the HVAC sector. These advantages make it simpler for our franchise owners to succeed. As a leader in the HVAC industry and a member of this prestigious Authority Brands family, we provide everything you need to start, run, and grow your HVAC business. If you have a mindset for learning and team building, this opportunity will provide you with multiple revenue streams and a proven business model. We're excited to guide you through every step of the journey in discovering why 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning could be the right decision for you.